Today I'll be showing you around the Critcut app.
If you don't know what a Critcut machine is, this is what it is. Basically, it is a designing tool that will allow you to make all types of stickers. These stickers can be placed on water bottles, shirts, or anything you like. Now let's explore the app. So for a first look around the app, you are going to see a bunch of stickers already here. At the top, there are a bunch of different options for different types of stickers. These types of stickers include paper projects, iron-ons, card making, and more. When you scroll down, there are a bunch of more options, some of them, however, you need to pay for. The Critcut app does have free access, however, for some certain tools, you may need to pay. So here, I just selected the gingerbread man stencil. As you can see at the top, it will show you different uses. All you want to do is press Add to Canvas and then press View. When you press View, this is where it will take you. This is your workspace and where you are able to edit photos, add photos, and more. Just by pulling on the shapes, you can adjust the dimensions and size. At the bottom, there are also a lot of more options. For example, images, phrases, editable images, and more. When you click on images, you will see more stencils, and same as when you press on phrases. The only downside to this is that most of them you have to pay for. At editable images, there are also more. At text, you can add your own text. Here I'm just going to write cookie, and then I will also change the style. So you can change the style, the size, the spacing between letters, and the line spacing. You can also change the alignment of the word. After that, going to shapes, there are a bunch of shapes that you can select. All of them are free. The same applies for the shapes. You can make them bigger and align them the way you want it to. There are other options to edit your shapes, like actions, which if you click on your selected item, then you could slice it, combine it, wrap it, and all that stuff. As I said before, some of these tools are not available for free access. When you go to edit, you will be able to see all the dimensions of your shape, and you could also flip it around vertically or horizontally. Moving on to layers, when you go there, it will show you everything that you have on your sheet. This helps for stacking images. For example, if you are trying to make a color cutout, you can add different colors by doing different layers. You can also make some of the layers invisible and then visible again. By selecting all layers, you will be able to move the whole image. If you select on a layer and then press add, it will duplicate that layer. As you can see there, I had 2 hearts. And right now I just made it invisible, and then if you press the trash can at the left side, you can delete it. Some other tools are the undo button, camera, which you can take a picture of something, and then also the settings. By zooming out on the grid, you can change your scale, and zooming in will make it back. So to print this, you're going to press make it, and then depending on the materials you have, you can press on whatever matches your situation. Right now, I just pressed no matte, and as you can see, it displays my image on the scale. You can move your image around right here where you want on the paper. Once you press next, it will tell you to select your Critcut machine. If you do have your Critcut machine with you, it will show you the steps to turn on your Critcut machine and how to connect it. If you are using a laptop and computer, there is a cable that comes in the kit which you will connect to your Critcut machine. However, for today, we were just looking at the app. This app is available on computer and iPhone. A recommendation is that if you want to make a stencil, make sure that you have no background. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.